Hello, I'm Dominic Wilcox. I'm an artist, designer and inventor of unusual objects such as this teacup with inbuilt cooling fan to stop me burning my tongue on hot tea. I'm also chief inventor at Little Inventors, and at Little Inventors we challenge children to look around at the world and then come up with ingenious invention ideas. Now I've got something exciting I want to reveal, and that is we have a new book out. Some of you might know our other books, such as the Little Inventors Handbook, a guide to becoming an ingenious inventor, and Little Inventors Go Green, Inventing for a Better Planet. But now we've got a brand new book out, and it is called Little Inventors in Space, Inventing Out of This World. And this is a brilliant book of activities and invention challenges, such as what would your house look like and how would you design a house if you lived on Mars? Could you come up with inventions to make life in space, in spaceships, easier, more comfortable or more fun? And how could you clean up space junk that's floating around out of space? How could you tidy that up and capture it? What inventions could you come up with? So now I'm going to hand over to my co-author Katherine Mengarden, who's going to show you a bit more about what's inside Little Inventors in Space. Katherine?
Oh, thank you, Dominic. So it's so exciting when you get to see your book for the first time. Of course, that's something we know quite a lot about at Little Inventors because we make children's inventions real. Like this one, the space boot imprints. It's a clever way to leave your mark on the moon. And guess what? Even better, this one traveled in the International Space Station into space with the Canadian Space Agency. That was amazing. And you know what? You can be part of our space adventures too. At present, space is already part of our everyday through satellites that monitor the weather, climate change, volcanoes even. But also they help us with everyday things like watching TV or finding your way if you're using GPS, for example. But in the near future, we are likely to do other things with space that go much further, like going back to the moon. The idea is to set up an international interstellar station there. And that's a place that we could then launch other missions to go to Mars or even beyond. So we know that in the future, space is going to play a much bigger role in everyone's life, including yours. And who knows, it might even change the way that we see the universe completely. So it makes a lot of sense for you to start thinking about space now. It's not an easy place to be, it's fairly unwelcoming, and there's a lot of challenges there. But that's where your invention ideas could really make a difference to make it a better place to go to. So go through the book, you'll be able to find out loads of the challenges of space, from going to the moon, going to Mars, meeting alien life, you never know. And then you can come up with invention ideas. Don't forget to upload them to the Little Inventors website because we look at all of them and we will give you feedback as well. So get inventing. Don't forget to share your ideas with us, and happy reading!